In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all photos on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to find the My Files application on your Android device. It looks like this in my case. So I'm going to tap on that. And as you can see, in my case, there are different categories here. So as you can see, I've got images, videos, and so on. So in order to delete all of the images on my Android device, what I want to press on is images right here. And that's basically going to show me all the images that I have on my entire Android device. So in order to delete all of the images, what I need to do is basically press and hold on any of the images. And then as you can see in the top left corner of the screen, I can select all right here. I'm going to tap on that. And as you can see, I have over 1,500 different pictures and images on my Android device. So now in order to delete them all I need to do is press delete all and then move to recycle bin, which is not what I'm going to do, but that's what you have to do in order to delete them all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to delete all photos on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.